Hi YouTube, we're going to do a lesson today on a kind of beginner-friendly song. It's called The Trip, and it's by the group Still Corners. Okay, and if you look, I'm got my pickup, my bridge pickup on to give me a little more high frequency response. It's fairly beginner friendly, as I think I mentioned. This is going to kind of be a lesson oriented towards beginners. The first chord is an E minor. So we just place our middle finger on the A string at the 2nd fret, and our ring finger at the D string on the 2nd fret. We can play all 6 strings. Then it goes to B minor. And one way I recommend beginners play that is just like take your A minor and scooch it up to so your index finger's on the 3rd fret. So you can play A minor, just B minor, just like an A minor, but you have to just play those 3 strings. Sometimes they'll sound okay with the high E in there. This one I don't think it does, so just play strings D, G, and B. That's the 2nd chord, B minor. Then it goes to a D. Alright, so E minor. It's like each measure, it's on one chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. So I guess each chord is 2 bars of 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the whole song is like that. That's why it's a good beginner song. Now another way you can play the B minor, another simplified way, and this is a movable shape. So you can play the B minor like this with your index finger at the 2nd fret on the 1st string, your middle finger at the 3rd fret on the B string, and then your ring finger would be on your G string at the 3rd fret. And that's a movable chord, movable shape. So like if we move it here at the 7th fret, it'll be an E minor. It could be a D minor. And when we played it at the 2nd fret, it's going to be a B minor. So you could go. Just play on mostly the higher strings. D. So you can play it that way and use that simplified B minor. Now there's quite a few lessons on the intro solo. So I'm not going to go through that. You can watch one of those lessons, but I will say he's playing out mostly out of the E minor pentatonic at the 12th fret. But he's also playing notes outside of the pentatonic as well. So, but you could keep your index finger anchored on the 12th, and that would probably get you pretty in good position to play it. This is an outside note that's in the melody. It's on the 11th fret on the G string. And then these notes on the 14th, so they're in there. So he's playing on the 15th, 14th, 12th on your E string and the B string. And what that does is gives you some major pentatonic tones. So, all right, well, thanks for watching, and hopefully this is a good beginner song because the chorus and the verse are just the same chord progression. It's a good song to work on, singing and playing at the same time. And it's just a cool song about a kind of road trip. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.